Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So switching to the ad-free plan lets you watch without interruptions by adding a small monthly fee to your existing Amazon subscription. So first thing, open Prime Video, like go to primevideo.com or open the Prime Video app on your mobile, whether you are using iPhone or Android. Okay, so make sure you are signed in first. Go to account and settings, like from here. You tap your profile icon, you go to account settings, okay, select account and settings as I did, and open your membership subscription. Okay, this is where upgrades are managed. Okay, so select go ad free, it should be here. Okay, look for go ad free or remove ads, click the option. This activates the upgrade. Confirm the upgrade, like review pricing, usually a small monthly fee. Confirm your payments method. Charges are added to your current subscription. Okay, then enjoy ad-free streaming, like after upgrading, movies and shows play without ads, same contents, better experience, instant activation. Okay, alternative, like upgrade during playback, like while watching, you may say watch ad-free option, click it, follow upgrade steps. Okay, that's a quick shortcut. So common issues like option not visible, like not available in your country yet, as in my country, so it's not available. Still seeing ads, so some live or sports content may include ads. Payment failed, like try another payments method in this case. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.